Hello dear YouTube team, my YouTube channel is completed 1000 subscriber and 4000 public watch hours, and recently I apply for YouTube monetization, but my YouTube channel is rejected without any reason, and here showing reused content, but I do not use it any reused content on my YouTube channel. Here you can see my all the videos is so percent original. I do not copyright any type of content. Here you can see I uploaded on this channel 126 videos, and here you can see I also uploaded short videos with my voiceover. I do not use any type of copyright content. My all the content is so percent original with my own voiceover. So I request you to please review again and monetize my YouTube channel. Now here I want to show you how I edit my videos. I edit my videos on KineMaster application. So here you can see in this software I edit my all the videos and upload on YouTube. I do not use any type of copyright content. My all the content is so percent original. I do not copy any type of content. Please manually review again and monetize my YouTube channel. Thank you.